Welcome to my show. So, I love cooking, so I decided, why not teach you just how fun it is? Hello everyone. Today we are going to be making arepas, a traditional Colombian food. But before we do so, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Bill Gates. Now, you may be thinking, Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. He has billions of dollars. Why do we need to donate to his foundation since he has so much money? Well, this is because he's helping on a worldwide basis. Did you know that some kids in some rivers in Asia die because of diarrhea? It's tragic, and Bill Gates is helping a lot of communities around the world deal with these problems. He's also helping with polio in some parts of Africa. In my show notes, you'll find a link to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. I highly recommend supporting them. Another great way to learn about Bill Gates is on the Netflix original show Inside Bill's Brain. I learned a lot about him from that show. Now, let's make some arepas. Hi everyone, it's Chef Daniel here. Welcome back to my show. So today, I am making arepas. So, funny story, a few nights ago, I was watching a show where they were talking about arepas. So, the funny thing is, I just happened to get a recipe in one of these boxes I get for arepas. So, here I am today, showing you how to make them. You may be wondering, what are arepas? Arepas are a traditional Colombian food, which is indigenous, and they are made with corn flour, as are many Colombian dishes. Ooh, I'm going to start to boil that. So, to make this, you must have the following: milk, butter, cornmeal, shredded mozzarella, salt, frozen corn, and vegetable oil. Second step of making a little bit of the batter. So here we have 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over simmer. So now we're gonna add 1 cup of skim milk. Let's see the magic unfold here. Wow, oh, and the color, it's a cool color. Wow. So now, on the 3rd or 4th step, I don't quite remember, we're gonna do one of the most important parts, and that is, we are going to take the butter and milk that we made and pour it into this mixture, which is, because I didn't tell you, it's corn flour, salt, and some Tex Mex cheese. So here goes nothing. Wow. Okay, everyone, hang in there. I'm gonna make the next step says you must make a batter-like texture-ish thing. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Wow, this is a very amazing texture. Step 4 or 5 is as follows. You take the frozen corn, 1/2 cup of the stuff, and dump it in to this amazing batter that we made in step 3 or 4. Next step is to swirl it around. Ooh. Okay. Arepas batter part 4 or 5 is going well. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, this is getting. Wow, this is quite a texture, guys. You can see this. It's really getting nice, and we used Masa Harina instead of just normal corn flour, and it smells really good. Now, everyone, we just let it rest for half an hour. This beautiful batter. We have let the dough rise for 30 minutes, and we are now making small patties out of the arepa dough. and putting them on a lightly greased, heavily greased, baking sheet. And we've just got the corn and the cheese and everything, and just scoop them up and then put it all into a bowl. I'm relatively good at this. It's okay if you get some dough on your hands. Anyone who's doing a good job gets dough on their hands. If you don't have dough on your hands, you're not doing a good enough job, people. This is step 7 or 8. We are putting our arepas into the oven at 400 degrees. I'm wearing oven mitts. It is always a good safety measure to wear oven mitts when putting something into a 400-degree oven or even any degree oven. So here we go. Here goes nothing. This is my first batch of arepas I've ever made, so I sure hope they turn out good, and I sure hope you had a good time watching. After you put your arepas in your 400-degree oven, you must bake them for 10 minutes and then take them out and flip them and then bake them again for 15 minutes. Afterwards, you can serve them with butter, any stuffing you want, or a fried egg. Enjoy. Okay, we've taken the arepas out of the oven. They're delicious. I hope you enjoy your arepas then. Now, to eat. Okay, everyone, I'm filming this on Boxing Day, right after Christmas. So everyone, I just want to say Merry Christmas to all. I got this great hat and apron for Christmas, and it says Chef Daniel, and it's got a little fish on it right there. I love it. So now, to eat. These are wonderful arepas. And you know, guys, they're so versatile. You can eat them with ham. You can use them as biscuits with your breakfast. You can have them instead of toast. Most Colombians, they'll eat it as for lunch or breakfast. It's a usual, typical Colombian food. Okay, so everyone, if you want to learn more about Colombian food, watch the show called Anthony Bourdain, Parts Unknown. There's an amazing episode about Colombia, and the funny thing is, I'm watching this episode where on this TV show, Anthony Bourdain is eating arepas, and here I am, eating arepas. This is Chef Daniel, signing off, and if I can do it, you can do it.